Imagine, you are inside a dream, where time moves slowly, and every sound turns into a story. Keep your eyes closed, and let us begin. The river was silent that night. Too silent. Moonlight danced gently on the water, but beneath its calm surface, fear was growing. Deep inside the river, two crocodiles, Raka and Moti, floated quietly near the muddy bank. They had lived there all their lives, protecting their home, sharing food, and watching over each other like brothers. But tonight felt different. A strange shadow had entered their river. Beginning, the unwanted visitor. Raka, the older and wiser crocodile, slowly opened his eyes. "Did you feel that?" he whispered. Moti, younger but brave, nodded nervously. "Yes, something is not right. The water feels disturbed." Before they could speak more, a powerful splash echoed across the river. A massive figure cut through the water like a blade. It was a shark, a river shark, rare, fierce, and dangerous. "I am Zorak," the shark's deep voice growled. "This river belongs to me now." The two crocodiles looked at each other. Their peaceful home was suddenly under threat. "This is our river," Raka said calmly. "We have lived here for years. You cannot just take it." Zorak smirked. "Then fight for it, if you dare." Middle, fear, conflict, and unity. The next few days were filled with tension. Fish disappeared. Smaller animals fled the river. Zorak's presence brought fear to every corner. Moti was angry. "We should attack him now. Together we can defeat him." But Raka shook his head. "He is stronger in deep water. We must be smart, not just strong." One evening, Moti swam alone, trying to prove his bravery. Suddenly, the water around him churned violently. Zorak attacked. Moti struggled, his heart racing. The shark was too fast, too powerful. Just when it seemed like the end, a massive force slammed into Zorak. It was Raka. Raka fought with all his strength, biting and pushing the shark away. The water turned wild and loud. Finally, Zorak retreated, but his eyes burned with anger. "You will regret this," he warned before disappearing into the darkness. Moti lay still, shaking. "You saved me." Raka looked at him gently. "We survived together, or not at all." For the first time, Moti understood. This was not just about strength, it was about trust, patience, and unity. Plan. That night, the crocodiles sat under the quiet sky. "We cannot defeat him in open water," Raka said. "But we know this river better than he does." Moti listened carefully. "There is a shallow area near the old banyan roots," Raka continued. "If we lure him there, his speed will slow. That is our chance." Moti smiled. "Then let's bring the fight to our home." Climax. The final battle. The next day, Moti swam boldly into the deep waters. "Zorak," he called out. "Is this all your power? Hiding in the dark?" The shark appeared instantly, furious. "You dare challenge me again?" Moti turned and swam toward the shallow waters, pretending to be afraid. Zorak chased him without thinking. As they reached the narrow, muddy area, Zorak suddenly slowed down. His body struggled in the tight space. That was the moment. Raka emerged from below, gripping Zorak's tail with powerful jaws. Moti turned back and attacked from the front. The river exploded with movement. Zorak fought hard, thrashing and roaring. But he was trapped. The crocodiles knew every inch of this place. The mud, the roots, the rocks. Together, they pushed him toward the shore. With one final powerful effort, they forced Zorak out of the river and onto the sandy bank. The shark gasped, helpless out of water. "Leave," Raka said firmly. "This river is not yours." Zorak, defeated and exhausted, slowly slid back into deeper waters far away, never to return. Ending. Peace returns. The river slowly became calm again. Fish returned. Birds sang. Life flowed peacefully. Moti looked at Raka with deep respect. "I thought being strong meant fighting alone," he said. "But now I understand. Real strength is standing together. Raka smiled. Strength without wisdom leads to danger. But unity creates victory. The two crocodiles rested side by side, watching the sunrise over their river, stronger, wiser, and closer than ever before. Glowing star life lesson. True strength is not in fighting alone, but in unity, patience, and wisdom. When we stand together and use our minds, even the biggest problems can be defeated.